I got it from my daddy. Don't think twice, you get good nuts. You be my curry, I'll be your rice.
I once took a personality test and I failed. There's a new pizza place in town called Ugly Pizza. They asked me to be the face of the company. People always ask me why. Why, Thorsten, why are you so pale? It's because I grew up in my father's shadow. That day, I
Yes.
told you to put something exciting on.
Yes, that was exciting.
Do you have your pants on?
No.
That's okay.
지금부터 선수끼리 밤이 아까워 flower 불타오르는 아름다운 그대여 How you like me now? How you like me now? How you like me now?
Hey, where'd you get that body from? Where'd you get that body from? Where'd you get that body from?
I got it from my daddy.